What is a 360-degree vision check? It's a crucial safety step to make sure the area around your car is clear before you move, whether you're backing up, pulling out, or just starting to drive. Let's break it down. Start with your left blind spot. Do a left shoulder check. Look at your left mirror. Look right around your side windows and windshield from left to right. On the way through, check your rear view mirror. Look in your right mirror. Shoulder check your right blind spot. Complete the 360-degree check by looking backward over your seat through the rear window. Let's take a look from outside the car. Watch how the driver performs the full 360-degree vision check. Now, let's see the 360-degree vision check from the driver's point of view. Watch as the driver looks in every direction before moving. Now, here are a few examples of the 360-degree vision check in action. Watch as the driver uses the check to safely back up and pull out of the parking spot. The 360-degree vision check takes just a few seconds, but it can prevent accidents. Make it a habit every time you drive. Stay safe. Stay alert.